Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are watching Arrow Season 7, Episode 18, right? It's Episode 18, and the title of this episode is Lost Canary, so I'm just assuming that this is about Laurel or Dinah, so we'll see. Actually, I'm excited for this one. It's been a few weeks, 2 weeks or 3 weeks since, the last episode of Arrow, and I'm just excited for this one. After that long break, it's back, and I'm just excited to dive in and go back into this show. So last episode, I actually cannot remember much. It's just like it's about Imiko, right? Knowing that she's working with Dante and she's the villain, and she's actually the leader of this group, But yeah, I actually forgot all on the most things that happened last episode. But for sure, if I start watching this, I'm gonna start to remember things. So yeah, let's just dive into this. Uncut version of this episode is up on my Patreon. If you wanna watch me watching Arrow for 40 minutes straight, you can head into my Patreon page and you can watch it right there, right now. And yeah, I'm just so excited to start watching this. Without further ado, let's watch Arrow Season 7, Episode 18. Here we go. Oh no, she's wearing her Black Siren outfit. Ooh, I missed that.
Where the hell is Shadow Thing? I'm Black Siren.
Love that. So this is her episode. She hides her phone on her suit.
No one. Eggs and really cold fruit.
Aww.
Are you in?
She really, trusts Laurel and treats her as her friend.
I've already left you, but I'm just trying to make sure you are okay. So if you could call me back.
Aw, I love that.
Also, I'm going to eat everything in the fridge, so it's going to get pretty crazy in here.
Precious cargo.
Precious. Of course it's precious. Oh!
Is he still following us?
I don't see him. I think we finally lost this.
That's a really weird transition.
What the hell are you doing? Finishing this.
Oh. I don't think it's going to work. That suit is pretty tough.
Laurel is smart. You really think that she'd leave evidence behind if she really did kill the guy?
She had a pretty strong motive. Hernandez's death was imperative in her winning her case. But the truth is, Laurel is Black Siren. She is a ruthless murderer, and we are all fooling ourselves thinking she's anything like the real Laurel Lance.
We should be helping her, not hunting her.
I understand Dinah. It's really hard for her to, to trust Laurel again because, Laurel killed her boyfriend, so yeah.
Trace it back to them. Emiko framed Laurel because Laurel told Oliver her secret. Boom.
Well, it
Yeah.
still doesn't change anything.
Of course it does. Did you hear what I just said?
Well, even if you could, damage is already done.
No, she can still be saved.
It's a good chat. I really love our chats.
Oliver, I found something. Nothing. New outfit.
Ooh. That guy's familiar.
He's one of the longbow hunters.
What are
Oh yeah, the one with the shield thing with Spike.
It's like a question.
Don't hang up. Literally, you will not be able to exit my window.
You really can't take a hint.
You've done a lot of good as the DA. Not to mention you were there for me when I needed a friend.
Yeah.
I'm not willing to let you just throw that all away and forget about it.
But they've already confirmed 10 dead and 5 missing.
So Canaries are just, a group.
It's not your fault.
They didn't have Canary Cry, but they're just group of vigilante honoring the Canaries.
If you want to even the odds, you get out there and you fight the hell back. If you don't, we're all dead.
You need to have a plan first.
You were right about me all along.
Oh, and it's too bad that you don't have your cry anymore.
Well,
But I still have mine.
What?
Sarah!
Oh, and feel free to tell
Yeah.
Laurel's new friend that it's a bad idea to leave vault schematics just hanging.
You're not my sister.
Ooh, I love the theme. This, you know, yeah. Love this.
I think you're being hard on her because you feel guilty.
And I think you need to drop the blinders.
This is Laurel's new gal pal. I just want to make sure that you're the same ruthless Black Siren I once knew.
No, she's not.
If I wasn't.
Good.
Man, I really miss her doing that. I really miss her. I don't watch Legends, so I miss her.
Come a long way from the IT girl secretly crushing on Oliver Queen.
Apparently it was much of a secret.
Yeah.
Everybody knew. Zero poker face. I always wondered, you know, were you flirting with me all those times you said I was cute?
Were you into it?
Of course, it's you. I missed you.
I love them.
She helped Oliver get out of prison the
Yeah.
legal way, and she stopped me from killing Ricardo Diaz.
Felicity Smoke is killing people now. I really
Yeah.
missed a lot.
The point is that I didn't kill anyone because fake heat signatures. That is devious and impressive.
It's a bomb.
Black Siren's a lethal, unforgiving killer. It's rare she fails, even rarer she doesn't do the job herself. I'm gonna get some air. Let
She's
me know if
doing
you
this
guys
on
find anything.
purpose. You know, that Felicity and Dinah won't get hurt.
You know, or maybe she wanted it more than any of us and didn't realize until it was gone.
Yeah. Aww. I love her. I love Felicity. You know, she's not giving up on Laurel.
Back to
And
what
I'm
happened to
noticing
the
that
Canaries.
Laurel is not in the future.
Not like this.
She's not here.
Mia,
So I'm
if you
afraid that
go
she's
out there
gonna
on your own,
die.
chances- It's a support system. This is a way for women to know we always have each other's backs no matter
Aw.
what happens. Whenever we need it most. Something I failed to do for a friend once.
For Laurel.
But ever since that
Oh my
happened is where
God.
I made it.
I'm not a canary.
Shit. Oh, she reminds me of Oliver.
Nobody's as good as the original Laurel Lance, not even me.
True. That's true though.
Look, I don't know. Redemption isn't a destination, it's a journey.
Yeah.
I
Love
wasted
this.
years running away from all the bad things that I had done.
It's a little bit too late.
No, it's never too
Because
late.
this is who I am.
Laurel! You can still change. I believe in you.
Who I see is someone that I believe in and someone that I really care about.
Felicity, what are you doing?
Yes, if you're okay with that device killing people, you may as well start with me.
Oh! Oh!
Me too.
Intervention. She can't. She won't do that. Whoa!
I changed my mind.
I can't.
Woo. Yeah, yeah. Man, it's really useful. Yeah. Woo!
We are pretty badass together.
This is where the Canary started.
Something like that.
Love this. Look at them. Badass women of Arrow.
I have something for you. From one canary to another.
He's got the sound thing.
Sarah, I wanted you to have this.
Ah,
I can
ah.
adjust it for you.
Is that?
Laurel's black canary costume. Yeah. Yeah, I thought you could use it here.
I'll take care of you.
Oh, look
We
at
can start
them.
with a foot rub.
I love them so much. Look at them.
I wish I could tell him how much it meant to me.
Ay, no.
He was the first person to make me feel like I was never alone.
You're not alone
Yeah, you've got them now.
anymore.
Oh my god. Ooh! Oh! Is that Laurel? Laurel here? Man. Whew. Wow. I got teary-eyed at that end. When Laurel and Sarah's talking about Quentin. Man, this is a really good episode. I enjoyed it so much. It's all about saving Laurel, you know? Because Black Siren or Laurel has gone dark this episode because of what happened with Imiko framing her. And she, she starts to believe that she cannot be saved, so she's gone dark. She asked for Shadow Thief's help, and yeah, but of course Felicity, being a true friend, didn't judge her and still have hopes for her to change. And I love that and also Sarah is here, and with of course Dinah. At first Dinah really didn't have faith on Laurel that she can be changed and that she can be good, but I love towards the end she realized that she's wrong, and Laurel just needs their support. I love this. I love that. Seeing four of them or the three Canaries fight, that's just really good. And yeah, maybe that's when Dinah decided to have this organization of Canaries where they you know man, it's really good. And Laurel, she said that she's going back to Earth too, but she's here in the future. At first I thought that she's dead or something happened to her, but I'm glad that at the end she appeared with white hair, just like Laurel Lance Canary outfit. I love that, man. And in the future, they are under attack by this people with suit, which is so tough. You cannot defeat them, you know. And of course Maya really wants to to fight them, even though Felicity and Laurel telling her not to because they're tough and they need to have a plan to defeat the galaxy and these people. But just like old Oliver, she just wants to just storm in and kill the bad guys. Oh my god, this is really good. I enjoy this episode so much. I love seeing Sarah here on Arrow. I love Felicity helping Laurel, and at the end, Laurel defeating or double crossed Shadow Thief. She doesn't want to work with her anymore. Oh my god, this is really good. I enjoy it so much, and I can't wait for what's next to Arrow. We've got few more episodes left until the end of season 7, and season 8 is the final season of Arrow, which is really sad that it's about to end. Man, now that it's, oh my god, I really don't want to think that it's ending. But yeah, this is good. So there you go, guys. It's the season 7 episode 18 of Arrow, The Lost Canary. Let me know your thoughts about this episode on the comment section down below, and hit the thumbs up button if you like this reaction of Arrow, and please subscribe to my channel for reactions every week. And the uncut version of this episode is up on my Patreon, as well as the early access. Oh, no early access, I'm so sorry. If you wanna watch me watching Arrow for 40 minutes straight, you can head into my Patreon page and you can watch it right there, right now. And yeah, I'm just so thankful for all of you guys, for all of your support, and thank you for watching.